This conference will now be recorded.
Hello team, I'm here to share with you on API post method integration with Selenium, and we have to automate and verify how this is working. So here I am. Let me share my screen and show you how we have to do. Before that, we have to proceed the definition of this post API. And one more thing I have to show that let me open one more. Yeah. Yes. Now here I am, and let me first tell you which method we are going to test. I am going to test this test case 2 using this post method, and whatever we are going to verify here, we are going to do the status validation, status code validation, and the status message validation. And here what is this one is the this URL we are using for an agent base URI, and this is the end URI, which or you can say endpoint URL, and which method we are going to test, that is the post method. Post method. And apart from this, here I am which fields we are going to means which field parameters we are going to post and get this success code message. So this success code is another validation for us, and this status code success code is operation success full message, and for status code this 201. So first of all we have to go to this Eclipse, and first we have to create a class, and let me copy this class test case name and putting as a class name and finishing it. Now we got this. Now here whatever we are going to test, for that we have to create one method. So I am creating one method, public void customer registration post method, and putting in. Once I create this post method, I have to execute this post method. For that I need the annotation, and though I am going to execute my test case using the test-ng annotation, so I'm putting test annotation and importing the test or test-ng annotations. Now now after doing this, let me copy few code of our previous test case till this, copying and pasting over here. So as per our previous discussion, we have to initiate the base URI, means which URL we are going to test, we have to keep it here. So I am removing this and keeping my customer API here, and here I have to initiate the request object. So I am initiating this request object here. Then after this we have little modification here. Whatever the parameters we have, those are with key values, right? So for these, first we have to initiate an object class, means a JSON object we have to create. Then on that um, object we have to keep all our key value pairs, and then after that we have to embed it with the headers. Then from that header um, we have to um, test this post method. So first of all, let me create an JSON object. So JSON object we have to create like this. Then here I am giving param JSON equal to new. Then I'm creating this object, so putting this. Now you have to import this JSON object. So this JSON object is getting imported from this org JSON. Now using this JSON object, I am going to initiate all the key values. So I am putting JSON put the key values. Here whatever the key and value pairs is there, we have to keep inside and put over there. So as per our uh, means body, we have 5 parameters which we have to take and test. So I am copying this 5 parameter and let me keep it here first. Okay, now this parameter I am copying, pasting 5 times. Okay, now here the first key is first name. So I am putting first name and I am giving the name cat. Last name here giving this. Then username I am putting, and password I am putting here. And email I am putting this email and keeping this jenny@hotmail.com. Okay, now after initiating all the parameters, I have to embed this with the header. So first I am going to http header. http header dot header. Then here we have to give the value pair. So first, whatever the content type, I am taking this header content type. Though we have lot of header, but though we have the application is in JSON and we are embedding it, so I am taking this content type and this is application JSON. Then I'm keeping this. Now it get embed, and as per our concept, we have to make and embed it with the body. So here I am putting this, means whatever the header we embed it with the application JSON, then whatever the body, that is this param JSON, and we are making it to the toString. Now here this point will come, this response, and we are going to response HTTP request whatever the method we are taking, that is post method, and here what is the thing we are going to put, that is register, and here the register is there. Then this is this method we are going to test. Now what is this we have to test? We have to get the status code, so I am pasting this over here, and remaining we don't want, so I am deleting this. So here I am putting the status code, response get status code, the system data out status code, and status code here we are going to get 201. So I'm putting the status code 200. In the same way I can put response dot get JSON path dot get. What we are going to get, that is here I told you na, this success code we want to verify, so I am putting this label success code into my get method. Now here I am keeping it as a string and putting the name same status code. Now we have to print this status code as per our knowledge what it is throwing, so that we can acknowledge ourselves that whatever we are getting, that is correct. Status is, no sorry, here it is success code, so success code is, then keep a plus and put this success code here, so that it will get and acknowledge us that whatever we are getting, that is same. Now here I am putting the asset equal, and here I am putting this success code, and whatever the success code we are getting on means on application, that is the operation success. So this is the expected result, so I am putting this expected to here. If when this response is getting the success code, so it will keep here in this success code and it will print what it is getting. Then after that we are verifying this success code, whatever we get means whatever the actual and whatever we are expecting, it is matching or not. If these two terms get matched, then our test case is going to pass. So this much is there for the post method, and whenever we address these means at the time when I put this POM file, I told you that the JSON file and all the things why we are keeping. This is the purpose that we are keeping the JSON file dependencies on the POM XML. Right now we get all the details, so our test case is created. Let me go and execute it and check that it is working or not. So right click, go to run as, then test ng, then click OK and check. If it work, then it will give you a success message, else it is a failure. Though see what is the success code you are getting, the operation success means what this success code is keeping. This is so, and this success code is this. So customer registration post is get successful. Let's see if you want to fail these test cases. So let me put it, the expected is equal to operation under success 3. So if I am going and executing it, then see my test case is getting failed, and whatever I am getting first of all, though whatever the parameters I am sending, this is already in the DB. So a second time it is not taking. So it is directly throwing 200. Okay, means it is success but not created. Then the second thing is whatever this success code that is not matching. So the test case is getting failed. So almost in the first here itself it is getting failed. No need to verify here, because this whatever the parameter we already passed, it is already there. So what it is showing that it is already there, so it is not going to register the same bunch of means parameters. So it is throwing the fail. So here the expected is 201, but the found 200. So though it is success, but it is not up to mark, so it is throwing error. So this is all about this post method. Hope you guys like it, and if you have any doubt you can share with me. If anyone has any, then I'm going to close this call. Thank you.